Previously, selecting or deselecting a tag would instantly apply the changes and unintentionally trigger workflows. With this update, you have more control and can confidently manage tags without accidental changes. Let's check the improvement. Now, when selecting or deselecting tags, you have an Apply button to confirm your changes and a Cancel button to undo any mistakes, improving the overall safety when managing tags and creating a wider error margin. Let's go over how to add or remove tags after this update. Head to the Contacts tab inside the Contacts section and select your desired contact. Open the Tag dropdown for a contact and select or deselect the desired tags. Click Apply to confirm the addition or removal of the tags. Click Cancel if you do not want to proceed. This update improves the tag management experience in the Contacts module by introducing confirmation for adding and removing tags, allowing you to modify your contact tags with confidence. We hope you enjoy it.